Today, we are trying to come into a space or into a place whereby we get to share with you the few things that we know about preparing students for the PSLE. We teach you the concepts well, we reinforce the concepts, we make sure that you come through so that if the question is posed differently or in a more difficult way, you're still able to apply the same concept. So that's our underlying principle. That's what underpins how we teach. We want to teach the concepts well first. The biggest differentiators, the ones that make someone 256 and another person 253, tends to be, for English, composition, comprehension, and close passage. If you forget everything that I tell you today about composition, you need to remember this. It is all about two things. Number one, the plot must be captivating, it must be realistic. Right? Number two, your characterization, your descriptions of places and feelings. How do you go about using beautiful descriptors of people, places, and feelings?
Students normally will dive straight into the question. Okay, circles question, right? What do I see? I see a quadrant. Okay, let's apply the formula, let's find that. I see a semicircle. Okay, let's apply the formula, let's find that. And then after that, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at my steps and hopefully I will know what to do next. How much time have you wasted already? So what we need to teach our students is we need to teach them a set of thinking skills, a set of approach that they can use when they see questions like that.
I'm going to introduce the typical steps that I teach students, and Learning Lab, a lot of science teachers here teach students for explanation questions. First step involves information. That means you need to show me where you got your data from before you arrive at your conclusion or explanation. Now, concept is the second step. So once I plug out the information, you need to demonstrate to me, the teacher, the examiner, that you are aware of which concept is involved here.
What are some of the common problems? We marked PSLE, we teach our students in class. We realize that a lot of students use English sentence structures. Okay, when we talk about actions, what do we usually encourage students to use? So the correct way to express is, 老师，我可以把书包放在桌子上吗？
What we came was more to understand the psychology aspect of preparing for the PSLE. I mean, of course they can learn everything from the English, math, science and all that, but how to get them emotionally prepared.
I came here because this is my first child who's giving the PSLE exams and I was not familiar with the format and structure, but I also wanted to listen to it from the point of view of Learning Lab.
Us as parents or themselves, do we need to give them more time? Or do we need to give them more space? How do we encourage them? I think these are the kind of things we are trying to pick up.